Hello, I'm Nikki Smith with Carolina Digital Phone. If you're in charge of technology, operations, safety, or budgeting for a school district, charter school, or private school, you may have asked yourself, is it time to replace our aging phone system? For many schools, the answer is yes. Replacing a phone system is no longer just about phones. It's about student safety, staff mobility, emergency communications, and ensuring parents can reach the right person when they need help. In the next few minutes, I'll address the most common questions school leaders have about moving to a cloud-based voice and messaging platform. Question 1, why are schools moving away from traditional phone systems? Many school phone systems are outdated, difficult to support, and lack available replacement parts or software updates. Often, only a few people know how to operate these systems. Cloud-based communications eliminate costly on-site servers and provide centralized management across campuses. Schools gain flexibility, easier administration, and the ability to adapt quickly to changes. Question 2, what makes schools different from businesses? Schools have unique communication needs. You have classrooms, offices, cafeterias, gyms, and often multiple campuses. A school communication system must support all these functions, while being user-friendly for staff. That's why Carolina Digital Phone offers solutions tailored for educational environments, including paging integration, district-wide communications, mobile applications, and room-specific emergency calling support. Question 3, what happens during an emergency? This is a critical concern for school administrators. Modern cloud communications support room-specific enhanced 911 services, providing precise location information to emergency responders. Schools can integrate paging systems, visual alerts, and emergency notifications to help staff respond quickly during crises. Safety must be built into the communications platform from the start. Question 4, can we keep our existing paging and bell systems? In most cases, yes. Many schools fear that moving to the cloud means replacing all their equipment. However, Carolina Digital Phone works with existing paging environments and is an authorized reseller for algo paging technologies. School-wide announcements and bell schedules can often be integrated into a cloud platform. Question 5, what about teachers and staff working from mobile devices? Today's educators are on the move. With a cloud-based platform, staff can securely use school phone numbers from their mobile devices without exposing personal numbers. Calls, voicemail, messaging, and collaboration tools remain connected, improving communication between staff, parents, and administration. Question 6, will the system work across multiple schools? Absolutely. Whether you operate one private school or a district with many campuses, cloud communications allow all locations to function as one unified system. Centralized management allows each school to maintain its identity while streamlining administration. Why Carolina Digital Phone? This is where we stand out. Many providers sell phone systems, but few understand the unique needs of schools. Carolina Digital Phone has served organizations across North Carolina for over 2 decades. We operate our own communications infrastructure and understand enhanced 911 requirements, paging, and district-wide deployments. When you call us, you speak with experienced engineers who understand educational communications. Final thoughts. If your current phone system is hard to manage, if your support contract is expiring, or if you're looking for a better solution for staff and parents, now is the time to consider cloud communications. The right system can enhance safety, simplify administration, reduce maintenance issues, and improve the experience for everyone who relies on your school. To learn more, contact Carolina Digital Phone and schedule a conversation with one of our education communication specialists. We'll help you assess your current environment, discuss your goals, and determine if a cloud-based voice and messaging platform is right for your school. Thank you for watching our guide on school cloud communications.